Hello friends, welcome back to Farah's Kitchen. Since you all know festive season is around the corner, so today we're making chemical free organic henna paste which is dark stained. So let's see what we can do for this. First, we will take a glass of water in a saucepan and make a tea decoction. In this water, you need to add 2 spoonfuls of tea powder and let it boil till the water remains half. It means half the water should get evaporated and you get a thick dark tea decoction. Once it is done, strain it and keep it aside to let it cool. Now for the henna paste, what we require is, I've taken 1 cup of Rajasthani henna powder. This is the tea decoction that we made. 3 spoons of sugar. Eucalyptus oil we will require. And this is the lemon juice of 1.5 lemon. First you need to strain the powder to remove all the lumps. Strain it nicely. Now in the henna powder, add in the lemon juice, sugar and the eucalyptus oil. Now lemon juice and sugar gives a nice glaze to the henna and it helps stick the henna on the hand. Use a wooden or a plastic spoon to mix it, adding the decoction little at a time and mix it nicely. Do not use a metal spoon or a metal bowl for this. Add little decoction at a time and keep whisking it till you get a smooth paste. See the consistency of it. Because of the sugar and the lemon, you get a nice glaze over it. Keep mixing it. It should be lump free and the consistency should be such. Now what you can do is cover it and keep it aside in a warm place for at least 24 hours. After 24 hours, you will see the color of the henna has changed a little. It's become a little dark. This proves that the henna has released the dye from it. And you will get a nice dark stained henna when you apply it on hand. Mix it nicely and just check. This is the color test that we're doing it. Put a little henna over your hand and after 5 minutes we will remove it. You will see the color has already there on the hand. This shows that you will get a nice dark stain over the hand when you apply it. Our henna is ready now. See, after washing my hand also you can see the color. Now what you can do is take a plastic bag, a small plastic bag, and place it in the glass this way. Fill the plastic bag with the henna paste and keep it aside. Just keep this aside, we will require it later. You need to take a square plastic and make it into a small fine cone shaped. Keep rolling it till you get a nice cone shape. You can see the point, it is very fine. Do not leave the hole at the point open and seal all the edges with a masking tape or a cellophane tape. Whatever edges you feel is open, just seal it up with the tape. Sealing the edges helps us when we press the cone while applying henna, the henna will not come out. Now you see inside also there is a edge which is open. Just put a small tape over there also to maintain the shape of the cone. Now our cone is ready. What you can do is cut the tip of the bag and just press it and fill the cone with henna. 3/4 of the cone should be filled with henna. Fill the cone completely by pressing it, and the top should be folded and sealed properly with the tape. Seal it nicely and a cone is ready. You can make lovely designs out of it. I am sure you all will try it this festive season, as it is lockdown and we do not get henna cones outside, so it's better to make it at home. It is chemical free and organic. Apply it on your hand and keep it overnight, or at least till the time the design has been dried up. Once it is dried, scrape it off. Do not wash your hands and apply a little Vicks Vapor Rub over it to get a nice dark color. I'm sure you all will like it. Thank you for watching Farah's Kitchen. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye. Stay blessed.